The average person makes 35,000 decisions per day. Whether you are ordering dinner, picking a movie, or deciding on your ideal relationships. Trying to sort through plethora of choices is overwhelming. Every decision demands a fraction of your mental energy. It's no wonder why life's biggest decisions feel so exhausting. Questions like what do I want from life? What do I want to be? And where should I live? Demand a significant amount of mental energy. Here are some important questions to determine where you want to go in life. What makes you happy? How do you want to live? Everyone wants to be happy, but happiness isn't just feeling joyful, it's also feeling needed. Having a purpose and maintaining that happiness amid uncertainty. Both external and internal factors impact our happiness. The former can include our neighborhood or country, while the latter can include our skill, sets, and self-esteem. Making a list of everything that makes you happy is a good place to start. What are your needs? Sometimes our wants and needs go hand in hand. Other times, what we need isn't what we want. Ask yourself which of your needs are fulfilled and which aren't. This could refer to your emotional, financial, and physical needs. Keeping a journal can help you get to know yourself, which will help you decide what to do next. What are your personal values? Remember that values aren't the same as goals. Your core values are principles that guide you through life. They can be anything from patience, honesty, integrity, loyalty, family, and freedom. Most of us prefer to live by our values, and identifying your own will help you figure out what you want, what gives you purpose. Everyone is passionate about something. Maybe it's cooking, looking after family members, or working with animals. When we do what fulfills us, that infectious energy positively impacts others too. What activities put you in a flow state? Losing track of time isn't always a bad thing. If we have nowhere to be and nothing urgent to do, letting go of the clock means our minds wander to creative and unique questions and solutions. You have probably heard the phrase go with the flow. In this case, flow refers to the joy we feel when we are right, where we are meant to be. It means we are so focused on what we are doing. We lose track of time. We are performing at our best and problem solving more efficiently. Notice when you have lost track of time and consider what you were doing. Prioritize activities like this every day to calm your mind and perform with more focus. What would you do if there were no limits? When times are tough, we stop ourselves from dreaming because we feel limited by external factors like money or vacation days. But don't be afraid to think big. If these limits weren't a factor, what would you do? Here are some other questions to ask yourself. What would I rather be doing? What do I want to spend my time with? What do I want to help? Am I in the right location to do what I want to do? What am I willing to sacrifice to achieve my goal? How do I define a good life? Who do you admire or get jealous of? Do you look up to someone? This person could be an activist, artist, teacher, doctor, or a parent. Anyone who leads by example. Think about whether you want to emulate this person. You should also pay attention to unpleasant feelings like jealousy. Maybe you know someone who has just landed a dream job or went on an amazing trip. Ask yourself why you are jealous. Self awareness will help you understand why you feel the way you do and what you really want.